Hi everyone. Let's take a look at the general grade descriptors and what a student has to achieve in order to earn the diploma. Every subject has general grade descriptors, and the ones I'm showing here from my subject area, which is sciences, biology. In the general grade descriptors, each of the levels of performance overall are described. So here's the kind of quality of work a student needs to complete in order to achieve the highest grade, a grade of 7, and on through the various levels. In order for a student to earn the diploma, in addition to being graded in each of their subject areas, they must meet certain requirements, which obviously begins with their total points score. As I'm sure you know, students take 6 courses, each with a total possible number of points of 7, which gives us 42 points. The extended essay and TOK together can yield another 3 points, we tend to call those bonus points, which makes the total possible 45 maximum points. A student must meet the following requirements in order to achieve the diploma. Minimum of 24 points, the successful completion of their CAS program, successful grades in TOK and extended essay, and I'm going to lead you a list of ways in which a student can fail to achieve the diploma program, and I'll put them here on screen for you to follow along. So a candidate will not qualify for the award of the diploma if certain requirements are not met, and you can refer to the general regulations if you like. If any of the following requirements have not been met, the diploma will not be awarded. The CAS requirements have not been met, candidate's total points are fewer than 24, a grade of N or no grade has been given for theory of knowledge, extended essay, or a contributing subject. A grade of E has been awarded for one or both of theory of knowledge and extended essay. There is a grade of 1 awarded in a subject level. A grade of 2 has been awarded 3 or more times in either SL or HL courses. A grade of 3 or below has been awarded 4 or more times, again, either SL or HL courses. The candidate has gained fewer than 12 points in their HL subjects, and candidates who are taking 4 HL subjects would be counting only the highest 3. And candidates have gained fewer than 9 points on their SL subjects, and candidates who are registered for 2 SL subjects must gain at least 5 points. Now, the other thing that you'll be interested to see is this matrix for how theory of knowledge and extended essay come together to yield the potential for 3 bonus points. And you can see that it is a matrix depending on how the student scores in the extended essay and theory of knowledge. You can see that there are a variety of ways that these combine to make it a failing condition, or to give no bonus points, 1 bonus point, 2, or 3. As we move forward with the task in this part of the module, we will hear from experienced teachers how they approach predicting grades, and we'll practice marking samples of student work in our own subject area to get a feel for the standards ourselves.